Okay, so I'm going to try and redeem myself using this soap divider thing because the last time I didn't make enough soap and it just became kind of a hot mess. So I already heated up. This is a mixture of shea butter, goat milk, and mango butter soap. And I put in this turquoise blue mica powder. Let me see if, okay, I made a lot of clear soap base because I'm gonna have two of the colors be in clear soap base. Something I didn't realize until this time is that, because that was another problem I had, you can choose to have either 3 levels or 4, depending on how you turn this piece. And I didn't realize that, and I accidentally set it up for 4, but I only made 3 colors. So I'm gonna use this turquoise in half of it, and then this gold mica powder in the other half. Oh, hold on. So this is gonna be a men's soap. The fragrance that I am using, oh, this might have to go in one more time, is a replica of the Paco Rabanne 1 million type cologne. So I'm gonna pour half of this into there. Okay, so now I'm going to put the green mica in. And I want these colors to be really bold so that you can see like the clear contrast between the 3. I hope this looks good because these are for a customer and hopefully it didn't come out like last time. It shouldn't. Add my fragrance oil. Can you guys see? Hold on. That's a little bit better. I'm just going to add it into this one as well while I have it. Now let's get this gold. I'm wondering if I should put the 2 clear soaps next to each other or put the white soap base in the middle. I am afraid that the gold won't, like, it'll look weird mixed with the white soap base. I think it would look better mixed with the clear. You know? Shoot, I don't know what to do. I'm just going to do them next to each other because either way this green is going to be next to the turquoise. Ah, shit. Well, this is going to have to be a small loaf, or I'm going to have to make more. Oops. Well, there's about the same amount in that one. So I'll make, okay, do I take it out now or should I wait for it to, okay, I'm just going to take him out. Can you see? Please come out pretty. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. I need to get that clear piece out of it. Maybe I could put like another layer on top. So we'll have the swirl and then another layer so it's not so small. think that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll just do a white layer. Yeah, so let me wait for this to mostly harden, and then that's what I'll do. Okay, so I don't think I made enough to fill up the entire mold. So I was going to do a green letter, but I think I'm going to try and make it blue. Or maybe it's just a darker green. No, I'm going to try for blue. So I'm going to use this liquid dye, actually. I don't know, it just has like blue flowers on it, so I'm assuming that's blue. And I was right. Oh, that's actually really pretty. It doesn't really match, but... So this isn't completely hardened, because I want it to be able to grab onto the other soap so that when I cut it, it doesn't slide apart. Because I've had that happen before. There is a way to prevent that if it has hardened already, but I'm just impatient as well, so that's another reason. Okay. Oh, damn it. That actually, I might be okay with that amount, actually. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to let that harden and then I'll come back. Okay, it is the moment of truth. Let's see what she looks like. I already loosened it. Oh, I ended up putting a white layer on it. I just wanted to fill the soap up all the way. Yeah, baby. Okay, so here's what it looks like. But we're really gonna have to see what it looks like. Ooh, that looks really cool when I cut into it. So let's do that. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. If I would have actually made enough soap, that would have looked really cool. But I think I kind of like it with the layers on top, or at least that's what I'm going to tell myself, because I can't change it. Very nice. So that divider thing does work. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, I definitely think the divider thing works. Just make sure you know if you have it to the side with 3 colors or 4. Alright, I'll see you later.